Hey, Quiz Beaver here. Can you guess 120 animals in just 3 seconds? Before we start, be sure to subscribe for more fun quizzes. Let's go. Easy level. It's a dog. Next one. A cat. A cow. Next animal. That's right, it's a horse. A sheep. It's a rooster. Next one. A pig. Like this video if you've gotten 5 in a row. Goose. A duck. Next one. Rat. It's a mouse. Guess the animal. A hamster. A guinea pig. Easy, right? Rabbit. Ferret. Any ideas? A rattlesnake. Salamander. Nice job so far. Keep it going. A turtle. A frog. It's the great white shark. Share to your smart friend who'd love this round. A dolphin. Turkey. It's a seal. The next one might break your streak. Walrus. A bat. You're doing amazing. Stay in the zone. Jellyfish. Hedgehog. A gorilla. Don't slow down now. Keep the streak alive. Sea urchin. Flamingo. Medium level. Keep your brain running. We're heating up. That's right. It's a peacock. Easy, right? A bear. A chimpanzee. An elephant. Comment your favorite animal so far. A giraffe. Next animal. Meerkat. Easy, right? A lion. Tiger. Next animal. A leopard. A cheetah. Next one. Killer whale. Guess the animal. An iguana. A chameleon. Easy, right? Kangaroo. The next one might break your streak. A koala. Lobster. A ray. The next one might break your streak. A platypus. Penguin. Let's see who's still in the game. Type "still here" if you are. Wildebeest. An ostrich. An emu. A llama. Almost there. Stay strong. Crocodile. An alligator. Nice job so far. Keep it going. A blue whale. Hippopotamus. Keep your brain running. We're heating up. That's right. It's a rhinoceros. A porcupine. A fox. Hard level. Almost there. Stay strong. It's a lemur. Easy, right? A hyena. Next animal. A wolf. A deer. The next one might break your streak. Elk. A marmot. That last one was tough. Respect. Bison. An orangutan. Any ideas? It's a sloth. Armadillo. Baboon. Let's see who's still in the game. Type "still here" if you are. A squirrel. A beaver. An otter. Keep your brain running. We're heating up. Raccoon. A badger. That was impressive. Now for the next one. Weasel. A possum. You're doing amazing. Stay in the zone. Chinchilla. Tarantula. Let's see who's still in the game. Type "still here" if you are. A coyote. Lynx. Guess the animal. Hummingbird. Panther. The next one might break your streak. Komodo dragon. An addax. Next one. Cockatoo!
An Eryctorope!
That last one was tough. Respect. Aye aye! Nice job so far, keep it going!
Flying Squirrel!
The impossible level. You've made it this far. Finish strong.
Impala!
Next one! Axolotl.
Tapir!
Guess the animal. Dingo.
The next one might break your streak! Lanternfish! Jaguar! Any ideas? Kiwi! Yak!
That last one was tough. Respect.
Red panda!
Next animal.
A stork!
Tasmanian devil.
Uakari!
That was impressive. Now for the next one.
Squid! Fennec fox! Bald eagle!
Nice job so far, keep it going.
A narwhal!
A dugong. Don't slow down now. Keep the streak alive.
Beluga whale!
Osiris. You're doing amazing. Stay in the zone. A wombat. Comment your favorite animal so far.
A zebu! Anteater!
A pangolin. Let's see who's still in the game. Type still here if you are.
Pika! Oh! Share to your smart friend who'd love this round. Okapi! A capybara! Markhor!
You're doing amazing. Stay in the zone.
Fossa! A cassowary!